soon. Mtajua pesa ya mahindi ilienda wapi very soon. Mtajua pesa ya Kenya Power ilienda wapi very soon. Mtajua the NHIF pesa ilienda wapi very soon. The structure of politics in this country has to change. And so wakisema we are looking for positions, it is true. We want the Luos to feel like they can be in government once and for all. We want Luyas to feel like they can be in government. One Kambas to know that they can be in government. Government cannot be between Kikuyus and Kalentins for the rest of our lives. So yes, we want to expand the presidency to all the time when we want a seat, a position. And you are a woman. Kwani, what is wrong with being a woman? What is wrong with being a woman? Surely, si muongee kitu ingine. Afadhali useme Gladys doesn't do any development. Gladys hasaidii watu. Gladys hachukui simu. Gladys hajaonekana ground. That is how you fight a woman when you want politics. And sio kusema sijui ati ni mama, sijui bibi ya nani. Yaani hii kitu ya bibi ya mtu bado inaendelea.